Where'd he throw it away?
There was a little bit left. I disposed of the tray.
You what?
I used it, and then.
Oh, you used it. Then okay, so it didn't stay on the tray.
Right. And I disposed of the tray.
Yeah.
Skipping a mandatory test might seem small, but legally, it's huge. Judges treat this as a red flag. Non-compliance with conditions can lead to bond revocation, more jail time, or additional charges. It's the system's way of saying, follow instructions or the consequences escalate fast.
Thank you, Judge. I have spoken to Mr. Edmonds about this case. It's going to do some further look at the matter to see where we stand in terms of an offer. We're asking just for an adjournment for a couple of weeks of the PCC. And then I need to address his it's not a bond violation yet, I don't believe, but it's a bond report where Mr. Croy was given permission to test in Genesee County. He signed up for a program, DNA testing in Genesee County. That program did not release testing results to the community corrections unless he was positive.
Hold on a second. That's not what I have. Do you have his progress report?
The one that I have, I do have a progress report.
From August 28th?
I don't believe that's the date. Let me check.
Mr. Allen?
Mine dated August 28th.
In terms of his testing, I have so he's here on an operating while intoxicated causing death.
That's correct, Judge.
All right. And on August 20th, after his arraignment, what day was he arraigned?
I believe he was arraigned on the 16th.
So then he got tested on the 16th he was ordered. He wanted to test there. He tests on August 20th, and he's positive for cocaine.
Correct, Your Honor. I'm aware of that.
Then, on the 22nd, he didn't appear for his testing.
That was when I was setting up to be tested in Genesee County. I didn't have to test again because I had just tested. I was just signing up to test in Genesee County. And I called the lady down here to let her know right away.
All right. Let's go back a moment because I don't think he's been before me.
I don't believe so, Judge. Just asking for a 2-week adjournment to see where we stand in terms of the potential.
Why is he testing positive for cocaine after getting charged and arraigned?
And there it is. Boom. After being formally arraigned, the defendant is already violating a court order. Audience, pause here. This is the moment tension spikes. The judge isn't just frustrated. Public safety is on the line. This is a heartbeat of courtroom drama. The law versus human impulse.
On an operating while intoxicated causing death.
Because he used cocaine, Your Honor. Obviously. I don't think he's...
No, it's a fair answer to my question. I'm just saying why.
Yes, Judge.
Why? I mean, why is he using anything?
Well, my understanding is he is not any longer.
What?
My understanding is he is not any longer. But he previously was. He began testing. Transferred that testing to Genesee County per the instructions he was given at arraignment. He's been testing there, but they are not reporting the results here unless he is positive. They have not called him to test this week. He's called them twice a day to go test. They have not called him, so he went over today to community corrections and tested here. And he is going to change if the court allows
him. Tested here today?
Here this morning.
What is it? Do we have results on that?
I don't have it.
I don't have anything yet.
I was informed about it this morning myself.
So, go ahead, Mr. Green.
Thank you, Judge. So, rather than do the Genesee County testing that authorized to do that does not send the reports as community correction would require, he has signed up again today to test here and do all of his testing here, although he does not live here. He has a relative here with him who has agreed to drive him back and forth to do that testing, if he is allowed, Your Honor. I understand.
What was the intoxicant in the primary offense?
Cocaine.
So let me get this right. He's charged. I just want to make sure, so I have it clear in my head.
You do.
He was charged with operating while intoxicated, causing death.
That's right.
The intoxicant in that charge is cocaine.
That's right.
He's in arraigned, so now he knows what he's charged with.
Yes.
He's told to go to community corrections. When he gets to community corrections, mind you, 4 days later,
Yes. He tests positive.
he tests positive for cocaine.
I had some at my house, which I disposed of.
In your nose or what?
I had it in a tray and I disposed of it.
You what?
I had it in a tray
And then
I
you
threw
just
it away.
smoked it.
I threw it away.
You threw it away? How's that work? Where do you throw it? It's gonna be a long conversation. Where do you throw it away?
There was a little bit left. I used
I
it.
know.
And I disposed of the tray.
You what?
I used it and I.
Oh, you
of the
used
tray.
it. Then okay, so it
There was
didn't
only a
stay.
little
It
bit.
didn't stay on the tray.
Right.
And I disposed of the tray.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Well.
And since then, I haven't touched it since.
What's that?
Okay. He probably stopped using because he's coming today.
Please.
And yeah,
I'm printing them now.
you're printing him.
I haven't touched it since.
So somebody needs to answer for me. Why was he using after?
Hold up. Did he just try to play the I threw away card? You almost have to laugh. If it weren't terrifying. Here's the reality. This kind of explanation might get shrugged from friends, but in court, it's evidence against you. And yes, viewers, that's exactly the trap.
Being arraigned
I mean, obviously,
on this charge. And why was he using?
I
I
don't.
have my theory, Your Honor.
I don't think there's any answer to
Oh, darn.
satisfy the court as to why.
And by the way, you're still using.
Honestly, I don't see how.
Oh,
I have,
really? Hold on.
I never
But you know what?
did.
The thing I hate more than anything is when somebody lies to me.
Honestly, I'm not.
Okay. Well, just make sure that you, because it has to be in your system. In order for you to test positive, and that you that it's been signed.
Counsel, approach briefly. You want to see this? That's my copy, though. Yeah, this is the one he took today. No, not at all. You need all of this on the record.
And the last positive from the second to 7 days later.
Yeah. 7 days later. And a little bit he threw away.
Okay.
Go ahead. I'm sorry. I'm messing up your story.
Oh, I know. But all I've done is I've used it in the chair that I saw.
Right here, stop and think. This isn't just a oops moment. We're talking about someone defying court orders after a serious criminal charge. How do you even explain to a judge, yeah, I used it and threw it away? That's the kind of honesty that terrifies lawyers and audiences. It hooks you instantly because what happens next could be life or death.
That was it. When it's second, well, no, I have not. Okay. Well, we'll tell them that, but you know, medically. I know. I want to do this. I want to the truth. Okay.
To answer your previous question, Judge, why?
Oh, he's positive for cocaine.
Judge.
Just so that we know.
Thank you, Judge. And to answer your previous question as to why he's still using after being arraigned,
Sure.
clearly he has a problem, Your Honor. There's no answer I can give you that can justify use of cocaine after arraignment when it's an illegal. He doesn't have any type of special license to allow him to use cocaine, Judge. So clearly he has a problem. He is willing to fix that problem when he's testing theory. He is working, and he did voluntarily come here today and take a test. So he's asking you to not say that.
Right. No.
No, you have to stay.
Right, anything else?
All I can say, Your Honor.
Okay. My cousin doesn't allow anything. It's possible. I have friends at my mother's house, but I'm cousin's house to do work down there. Okay. Because I'm gonna eventually reside down at my cousin's house.
All right. So to the positive test, Your Honor, I have no explanation aside from what he already told you.
Which positive test?
The
First one or this one?
The first positive test. Your Honor.
Oh,
The
okay.
explanation he gave you is that he used it and then threw away the tray. After he was arraigned, after he was ordered not to use, have no explanation, Your Honor. He'll just ask for mercy from the court on that, and he is willing to get any treatment that the court would allow him to take place.
Because he can't follow the court's order. I don't know how he's going to do treatment. And the other thing is, he doesn't test when he's supposed to test.
Yes, Judge.
So it seems to me I have two options. I can let him go and say, oh, well, best wishes. Or what I can allow him to do is go back out there, use some more cocaine and kill somebody else. Allegedly. Not doing it.
Understood, Judge.
Defendant's bond is revoked. Defendant remanded to the Washington County Jail. I'll set his hearing September 12th, 2024, 9 a.m. for probable cause.